starting the day early with a trek to Siagarh, and just had some lemonade out here with this artist, and we'll be heading down back and see you in a second. Ooh, that was quite an exhausting trek. I came back home and I just crashed into bed. Some of my body parts are paining, but yeah, I think I should be fine. It's not that bad. And I'm just near Manas's place. I'm waiting for him to come. We're actually heading to a special place. They've launched a special item, and you might have already guessed by the title. But I'll just hang on a while before I reveal it out to you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neel and today we are at the Blue Plate out here to try the Mango Devil. It's their seasonal mango special that comes in every year, and I'm really excited. It's my first mango of the year, and hopefully it's gonna taste even better than the last time. Pratik has done some modifications to it. He's the owner of the Blue Plate and also the brains behind the Mango Devil. So really excited about it, and let's check it out. This is Pratik. He's the brains behind the Mango Devil, and it's his Blue Plate that I usually come to. Manas is a regular out here.
Hola!
What do you have to say to the customers?
I just have to show this. That's it. You'll come. You'll have it automatically.
So that's really tempting, and if you haven't been to Blue Plate, do check it out. It has a crazy Mango Devil, and if you don't have it, then you haven't really had mango in your life. The right way.
The right way.
Feeling the sugar rush of the Mango Devil now. Feeling a little lethargic and sleepy. For those of you who don't know what's the Mango Devil, it's a dessert that has mango custard, whipped cream, chopped mangoes, and garnished with a little mint leaf. Do try it out and let me know how it was. And I think that will be it for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment if you're excited for the season of mangoes. And don't forget to do the most important thing, that is subscribe to my channel. Cheers!